Hello friends, today we will learn class 10 chapter 12 electricity. It is based on NCERT syllabus. Uh, the before video was based on part 1, so this is part 2. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe now, and also hit the bell icon button to receive further notifications. So let's start.
Let's start the electricity chapter part 2. That is potential difference. What do you mean by potential difference? For example, potential difference between the 2 points in an electric circuit is defined as amount of work done in moving unit positive charge from one point to another. For example, for potential difference is always water or or gases. It moves from higher pressure to lower pressure. It can be measured. The formula for the potential difference is work done divided by charge moved. V equal to W by Q. V is the potential difference and W is the work done and Q is the charge. And for example, air always moves high concentration to lower concentration, or water also high concentration to lower concentration. What do you mean by 1 volt? If 1 joule of work is required to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to another, then the potential difference between the 2 points is 1 volt. 1 volt equal to 1 joule divided by 1 coulomb. What is voltmeter? It is measured, with the help of this, we can measure potential difference. It is an instrument or a device used to measure the potential difference. How is voltmeter connected in a circuit? Voltmeter is always connected in parallel, not in a series. And the voltmeter connected across the points where the potential difference is to be measured. Why should a voltmeter have high resistance? Voltmeter should have high resistance so that it draws negligible current from the circuit. Means it draws only negligible amount of current from the circuit. What are the symbols used for the electric circuit? One is electric cell. This is the symbol. And a battery positive negative. It is arranged in circuit is arranged positive negative positive negative positive negative. Plug key, switch is open, there is no dot inside. Plug key, switch is closed, dot is inside, and it is a wire joint. Components: wire closing without joining. This is one type of symbol. And electric bulb, this is the symbol. Resistance is the symbol is like this. Variable resistance, this one. Ammeter is denoted positive negative, always current will flow positive to negative. Ammeter. Then voltmeter, it also positive to negative. Symbol is V. What do you mean by Ohm's law? At constant temperature, the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its end. The temperature is constant in Ohm's law, and current is flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference. I is directly proportional to the V. The mathematical formula for Ohm's law: V equal to R into I. V is the potential difference, I is the current, R is the resistance. Define resistance. Resistance is defined as the ratio of the potential difference across the conductor to the current flowing through the conductor. The ratio of the potential difference across the conductor to the current flowing through the conductor. Or one more definition: Resistance is a property of a conductor to resist the flow of charge through it. Resistance formula: R equal to potential difference divided by current. Potential difference, the symbol is V, and current is, the symbol is I, and resistance symbol is R. R equal to potential difference divided by I. Cause of the resistance. What is the importance of the resistance? There is a positive ions, metal wire, and electrons in a pipe. How it moves? When no potential difference is applied, it does not move in properly. Always positive, negative attract each other. But if no potential difference is applied, cell is not connected to the wire, there is no potential difference. If the cell is connected to the wire, battery, wire, then the potential difference is applied, then it moves in positive to negative. Causes: when free electrons drift inside a conductor, they frequently collide each other with its positive ions or atoms. The motion of the electron is opposed during the collision. SI unit of the resistance. The SI unit of resistance is ohm. It is denoted by the symbol ohm. Definition of the 1 ohm. What do you mean by 1 ohm? The potential difference across the two ends of a conductor is 1 volt and the current through it is 1 ampere. Then the resistance of the conductor is 1 ohm. 1 ohm equal to 1 volt divided by 1 ampere. Relation between resistance and current. The current through a resistance is inversely proportional to its resistance. Why tungsten is used almost exclusively more filament in electric lamps? Because the tungsten is having more resistance power compared to other filaments. The melting point and resistivity of tungsten is very high. It does not burn readily at a high temperature, and the electric lamp glows at very high temperature. Hence, tungsten is mainly used for heating the elements of electric bulb. Rheostat. It is a device to change the magnitude of the current by changing the length of the resistance. Wire is inserted into the circuit called variable resistance or rheostat. Means if you will change the magnitude of the current, change of the length of the resistance, that time the, if you insert the rheostat, the variable resistance is to be calculated. What do you mean by resistance and resistor? There is a difference between resistance and register. There is a difference, that is by virtue of which material opposes the flow of current through it is called resistance. Any material which has some resistance is called resistor. First activity: when the length of the wire is doubled, the ammeter reading decreases one of its initial value. Means in the wire length is more, that time the ammeter reading will be decreases half of the value. Activity 2: when we use thicker wire of the same material, same length, the current of the circuit is increases.
So thank you guys. Thank you for watching our video. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon button to receive further notifications.